Hi friends, what's up? Today I will show you 5 best walkie-talkies in 2020. Today when we come to buy a product, take a smart look out for this. You can think of many different ones, such as price, quality, durability, performance, battery life and much more. Through extensive research and testing I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. You will find a link in the description down below. You can collect a lot of information about the product by clicking there. Let's start the video without wasting any time. If you want to see more products, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Looking for two-way radios? Look no further than the industry leader in wireless communications. The Midland GXT1000 two-way radios are versatile for every user. Whether you're on the farm, in the woods, at an event, or on the river, Midland's two-way radios are there to suit your needs. Midland's industry-leading two-way radios combine NOAA weather alerts with weather scan, whisper mode, and a dynamic HD audio. They also have 10 call alerts, an emergency SOS siren, channel scan, and 9 levels of EVOX hands-free operation. The GXT1000 has up to a 36-mile communication range, with 50 channels of crisp and clear communication to choose from. Get out faster and stay out longer with Midland's two-way radios. Midland's GXT1000 two-way radios are lightweight, durable, and JIS4 waterproof, allowing you to be out in any weather condition. The GXT1000 value pack comes with 2 radios, a pair of headsets, AC/DC adapter, desktop charger, and 2 batteries. Midland's GXT1000 two-way radios also come with an unbeatable 3-year warranty. For better safety and communication in the outdoors, go with a proven leader, Midland.
The Motorola RM series, built tough to do business better. Whether you are coordinating resources at manufacturing line or checking inventory in retail stores, you need to communicate quickly without missing a beat. With crisp, clear audio throughout the workplace and exceptional durability, the RM series won't quit in high noise, tough conditions, and hard use. Get the information you need. With a voice announcement feature, your radio announces the battery level and channel every time you power it up. Make it easier to know who you are talking to on your radio. The channel alias feature gives you the flexibility to nickname channels. For example, customize channel 1 as security and channel 2 as stockroom, and instantly know who you are communicating with. With voice prompts, it is easy to program your radio even without a display. Just follow the voice prompts on the radio to change the frequency, code, or auto scan. Be confident your radio is programmed correctly and ready to go. With major weather events on the rise, it is important to be prepared for the unexpected. With NOAA weather alerts, dedicated channel to monitoring weather and automatically be notified when bad weather is coming.
Channel 8, Weather 1.
Here is your forecast for Plano and surrounding communities. The rest of today, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of light rain.
RM radios help keep your workplace and employees safe. Whatever your business needs are, there is the right RM radio for you. Motorola RM series, built tough to do business better.
Introducing the new BaoFeng UV-82HP, available now from BaoFeng Tech. The BaoFeng UV-82HP is a high-powered, dual-band handheld transceiver designed to break free from QRP and deliver a total of 7 watts through a high-gain V85 antenna for optimal performance. The BaoFeng UV-82HP features dual-watch receive, dual PTT, CTCSS, DCS, and DTMF with 128 memory channels and chirp programmability. The BaoFeng UV-82HP from BaoFeng Tech. Purchase on Amazon or baofengtech.com.
Radioddity GA-5S is a multifunctional dual-band walkie-talkie that has triple power settings. It supports chirp software, so that programming it is very easy, even for new starters. With FM function, you can receive frequency range from 65 to 108 megahertz. GA-5S is average 7-watt high power, and under some frequencies it can be up to 9 watts. It's easy to find out that GA-5S has a larger and brighter numeric keypad. The talking range is about 3 to 5 miles depending on the using environments. There are 3 types of display colors for users to choose which one is the most suitable to read under different circumstances. With GA-5S in your hand, you can feel the ergonomic design and will definitely get a better using experience, as Radioddity also provides free programming service.
If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for more. Thank you for watching.